And I understand how you have people that talk say a 4 time you put money by my a 4 man you call to kill me, to analyze me, because them say you can't use certain word on the app. So you call 4 somebody to analyze me. You understand? So then say, you know I want no meds.
Yeah, watch much too, you know, the big day like sports about, you know, when they are going to you know, they are watching sports too much more. Yeah, you know what I'm doing, they
You
are
see,
with them, they are taking the match, like they know something about that.
you see, we don't see that. You see. We don't see sense in that. You see.
Yo, check that. Check that.
It's just a breakup. It's just a breakup. You see. And as a top on Iris, as a top on Iris, cause much as much, you know. You see, as much as much argument are going and people might chat this and chat that or whatever. My people, they might not like you and other people might not like you or whatever. But you talk it already, you know. They must say, your name not small, same. You understand? So you have to use that and know. So you and the boy left, I'm no more than your same me. Because I you name Rosealee. You see? But this show me say, you see, emotions take over even a king or a queen or any powerful somebody. You fuck with sake of emotions. You see it? Yeah. Because you have your platform, you have your followers, you have your supporters. You already get 2 youth. You don't need a fear run behind nobody. What them want. You want to follow up nobody at all. You come like you lose the confidence where you have to for yourself. You see, because you should even make some little pissy tail. And some little pissy tail anti-man. Have your own finger like some little. You understand? Because you're a big man, I regularly attack it, you talk much as when you store them. You know new to fuck. You know new to fuck. You've been a fuck. You know new you know new to fuck. So you can't to make fuck. You start pre-delusion and you start think fuckery and you start pre-fuckery. Cause when time me go there so now I hear that now. What you think me go pre now? You see it? Yeah, don't me start pre arms out already when you start talk about deep about the story for my name. But now you go start when me hear a friend I say you go put money for my head. I want different kind of reason I go through my brain. You see it?
God! Glory, glory, Man United!
Me ain't left, you know. I'm a baby mother. For much you just said 12 years, you said. Me the fun. We get two youth. You see it? And a you style me for you. Alright. You style me. You see it? You say me this and me that. Alright, you say cause it's me, this me style then. You say me treat for you and this and me that. So me style. And you say you left. And it done and you embarrass me the most way and it done. You continue following me up for much of months. And me not do nothing at all. Me not try to disrespect you, me not follow you, me not answer you when you chat. Nah, nothing at all. And you follow me up and not chase and you disrespect and you bring down and you whatever. And me not follow you. So you try to tell me say. Cause all not October time you know, I still never disrespect you know. Now them time, them long time days, I never follow you and answer you. So you try to tell me, now them time they just true, I never answer you. You want to take me out just true, I not answer you? So true, I not give the time. I not give, that's the one way. When you should answer your Cho, I don't have time for the dirty boy. I say I want to live long time. See that? Wait. And just focus for your picking them. You had your series and you realize say yo, I just money making thing the youth up and just know certainly you make some money cause you know run behind a board. You top girl. But you not free them way there. And every time you feel like say you get disrespected and you feel hurt over the next side, you want to tumble your problem them for me. Maybe I train a girl and see if you with me make you feel kick and think them way there. Because if they grow and see if you would not think them way there. And you don't know say it's JX the last person if you want think so about. You hear that? So when I go get disrespectful, man, I'm gonna make you know say you need to just calm yourself. Find yourself. You see? Find yourself. When you find yourself, you're good. You see? When you find yourself, you're good, man. Cause right now you're lost, bro. You can make people that come chat boy you put money on my head. You're lost. You see? So just stop, man. Stop and think. I'm able to listen. Stop and think, brother. You see? I'm not Iron Man, I'm not Superman, but it's not so easy. Not so easy. And you know this. You know this. You know, you see it. You know. It's a bit foolish, this brother. Oh.
TikTok That. See.
So check, after I get problem, can't play the match. We're not going to hold up on this too much because we can't take. Let them stay with them fight. Now watch yeah, when she wants straight come over team vision and deeper disrespect and way. You understand? It's a long time thing, we go a long time, it never get to happen. She might talk it with me ear now, it resurface, but I one thing man, you understand me? Can open me eye now. I them wide open now. It never get to happen, so me will them open now. So we allow that. You understand? We allow that. But we're gonna look. We're gonna look. Yeah, we're gonna look. Always a look. We're not gonna see, we're not gonna know them something and feel like we're gonna play a blind eye to it. You see it?
Big shot. Ah.
Tough. Chat, we're not get nothing at all. No, 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 can't recharge. We're not gonna there. More fun things up on the app we can do. I got me always one time when I'm on live, I scroll through and laugh, you know? When I like them go argument, them argument has some good kill this argument. You know what I mean? You ever say that? I don't like that. You see? It can't matter what. No matter what. Get so much thing nasty argument. Not even the yam front argument like the batty argument. I'm not think about say you may go hurt you and them kind of way there, brother. You see it? No. Cause you're Shanta and Barbara mother. So don't forget say tell the people them say tell the world say me and Shanta and Barbara father. Say it's easy for you the way you are say you are gonna do it. It's easy for you. But it's hard for me. The whole lot I come talk about true and I love this and I like this. You try and listen. Just listen. But true and I love this and who like this and whatever I want true. It can't so easy for she. She can't come just say, oh, and I feel picking them. And it's easy for she say that and easy for she do what she do. But you think it's hard for me. Brother, just calm down. Find yourself. Just calm down, man. And find yourself. Ease yourself. Well, Chica, I don't business who want him Shaman, Lama, Gama, Samar. I don't business who want him so.
Bad man.